The Neewer NL480. Can you really get high quality lighting on a budget? Coming in at $69.99 from Amazon, the NL480 is a bi-colour LED panel with 480 LEDs. Now it's a bi-colour panel, which means half the LEDs are yellow and half of them are white, 240 of each respective colour. The balance of that is adjustable on the back, meaning you can dial in your white balance from 3200 Kelvin right up to 5600. Now there's a quoted CRI of 96 plus, which should mean that this light represents colour almost perfectly. It's going to be accurate and consistent, true to the human eye in most scenarios. Now it's a portable light, so it is designed to be taken with you. It can be powered by the AC adapter that comes with it, or by the Sony MPF 550 or 970 batteries. Now with that, let's look at the good bits of the Neewer NL480. Now the best thing about this light that we think is its functionality. It's extremely powerful, 3300 lumen, and it is bi-colour, meaning you can control the white balance really accurately. It means that in pretty much any scenario you'll have enough light and the ability to control the colour of that light accurately. And with that accuracy, we're looking at the CRI rating of a 96 plus. Now it's hard to discern how accurate that is. We are just quoting the manufacturer's specs. But from using it, I can tell you that the colour that's reproduced from the light is pretty much perfect. Another great feature of the light is the fact that it doesn't get hot. You can use it consistently for hours on end and it's still touchable, which even for an LED panel is saying something. There are some LED panels out there that will still get hot after a few hours of use. And finally is its durability. We've actually used this panel a lot over the past 6 months. We've taken it with us for incidental shots, and it's been extremely durable during that time and works flawlessly. It's never missed a beat, so for that it's in many respects the perfect portable light. But with that, let's look at the bad points of the Neewer NL480. Build quality is always the first thing you notice of anything, and it seems harsh to put it in the bad features because it's not terrible. It is a metal and plastic construction, but it doesn't feel very strong. I say we've taken it on the road with us, and that's because it's always been carefully stowed in its padded carry case. I wouldn't want to leave this rolling around in the back of a vehicle. I wouldn't want to take this anywhere without that padded carry case because it doesn't feel like it would take a lot to break this thing. It is a slightly flimsy construction. Now the worst feature of this light is how harsh it can be. Even when you put the diffuser in front of it to try and soften it up a little bit, it still produces a very harsh light, is the best you can say it. It's not a beautiful light, it's certainly not a softbox. What it is a functional light. It will enable you to control the light in pretty much any situation really well. What it isn't is a beautiful light. Now, considering the price of this light, you're getting quite a lot for your money. £70 for something that is 3300 lumen, a CRI rating of 96 and bi-colour fully controllable. That's a heck of a lot of functions for that price. You're getting a very functional light which would allow you to control the lighting in your videos in most situations. Now, like I said in the bad features, if you're looking for a light to make yourself look more beautiful, a softbox, then don't look for this. But if you're looking for something that's more functional, that'll enable you to perhaps light a scene better, then this is a great starting point. In fact, as a testament to how good it is in that scenario, we've lit this entire video with these lights. So that's been my grab and go review of the Neewer NL480. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.